Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rena the Riot. I am back to you with another video, so let's get right into it. In this box, I have a pair of the Off Record Fenty sunglasses that just dropped. The good sis Rihanna, she knew what she was doing. She knew I would not be able to resist. And I'm gonna show y'all. Inside the box is a little envelope. Let's pull it out. Open it up for you guys. Oh my goodness. It says, Rena, I adore you. Hope you like these. Rihanna. The gag is I wrote that myself because I want to feel like Rihanna sent these to me. Like I deserved these from her. So moving along. Inside, we have another box. Look at the case it comes in. Do you see that detail? Look, Fenty. Here's the moment we've all been waiting for. Are we gonna put these on? We're gonna put these on. You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. It's almost as if she made these for me specifically. Like, are we kidding? Somebody take a screenshot and send this to me. I just can't. All right, let's see what else came inside here. Ooh, we got a little manual here. I'm just confused why we would need a manual, but I wanted to give you guys a little detailed shot of these shades, so enjoy. If you see me wearing these all day, every day, mind your business. That's all I'm gonna say. Mind your business. I must be Rihanna's favorite because part of the packaging is actually a bag. It's a Fenty designer bag. Like, are you kidding me? I gotta stand up for this. Who am I? Girl. I just need to break this in and it'll be fine. Like, it looks like it's a box, but it's really a bag. It's a designer bag. Fenty, Rihanna, you guys did that. Thank you so much. I'm gonna flip the camera and I'm gonna show you guys the details on this bag because it is unbelievable. Open it up. It's so crazy. It even sounds like a box. So there's just so much room in here. You can put your lip gloss over there, right over here maybe. You can really do whatever you want with the inside here. It's just so nice. The detailing is everything. All right, so now I'm gonna open up the cloth that is in here and give her a wipe down. For those of you that are interested in purchasing this, these are the Fenty Off Record sunglasses in the shade Acid Green. I'm so happy I got these. I was kind of worried like this isn't going to be an everyday eyewear type of deal, but it is. I'm going to wear these every day. Like I said, I'm wearing them to sleep. I'm going to wear them when I cook. I'm going to wear them in the shower. No, I'm not going to wear them in the shower. But anyway, like I feel like I am the absolute sugar honey iced tea in these. Like, you can't tell me nothing. When I got these on, do not talk to me. Don't talk to me. Me wearing these, you literally gotta pay to speak to me. Cause what? We serious? Money's calling. So I told myself before purchasing any designer sunglasses, I was going to test myself to see if I could take care of the cheap little sunglasses I have and treat them as though they are designer. And if I do succeed, then I would make the purchase. So I'm going to use this mentality before I purchase anything else designer because it is a pretty penny for these bad boys, but it's all worth it. And I purchased sunglasses that are like between $8 and $20 and they're not broken. So that was a way for me to have self-discipline before purchasing something like this, and I am obsessed. So I'm going to show you guys some of the regular sunglasses that I purchased before buying these bad boys. So here's a pair. Like, look at that. And what I mean by these are like quality versus these. Look how this could literally break in 2 seconds if I wanted to, but I take good care of them. I knew that if I wasn't gonna take good care of these $8 sunglasses, then I had no business buying the Fenty sunglasses. Oh, and this shade here, This is the shade that I want for my next pair of these. It's like this color, milky. Anything Rihanna, sign me up. But honestly, the real goal is to get on her PR list. So that way my good sis is actually gifting me these products, or items I should say. That is the real goal. Because Bad Gal Riri and Bad Gal Riri unite. How about that? If you guys want to see more unboxings or reviews on products, just let me know in the comment section below, because this was fun. This was fun.
Shout out to everybody. I had fun.
I gotta be good.
And I did already open the box previous to showing you guys this, but that's not your business. But we're keeping it real on this channel. If you like this video, give it the thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and let me know if you purchased a pair too. And I will see you in my next video.